Did Jesus submit to the will of God? Did Jesus submit to the will of God?
Not anger.
Did Jesus submit to the will of God?
Competition.
Right now you look like
Jesus Christ
you look like
already
young man.
won. He rose from the dead.
Did Jesus submit to the will of God? Did Jesus submit to the will of God?
Angry Muslim.
Answer my question. Answer my question. Did Jesus submit to the will of God?
Let me ask you something.
Did Jesus submit to the will of God?
According to the Quran,
you're not listening. You're not listening because you know the answer.
Was
You'll be busted here.
Born?
Why did it take you 400 years to come up with the Trinity?
Any good Muslim know that?
Did Jesus submit to the will of God?
Any good Muslim
to come up with the Trinity?
Any good Muslim?
I am here.
400 years.
I'm here. Hello.
I can't see anybody.
Really?
That's
Are you blind?
Hey, wait. Whoa. Would you be quiet? I'm trying to listen to you.
No.
What you mean? Yo, there are no good Muslims.
Yo, hey.
Now let me ask you
What do you
this.
mean by good Muslim? What do you mean by good Muslim?
Get to the point. Okay. Now, was Jesus, according to the Quran, listen to him. Wait, listen to him. We're not at Millwall.
Okay, listen to him.
No.
No, he's
Are you scared? Are you scared of me? Are you scared of me? Yes, you are. You are.
No, just a minute. You got something to say?
Yes, I just wanted to ask that. Did Jesus submit to the will of God?
In England, and we you here. She was first.
No, he's first.
You're male sexist. Hey, she was first. Stop. Oh, there he is, using the middle finger.
Okay. So
she
doesn't want to speak.
No.
She's giving me an opportunity. She is giving.
It's not.
Okay, there you go.
It's not.
Now you're being sexist.
It's not yours to give. I am the speaker. You are the squeaker.
You are just avoiding me. Admit that you're scared. You don't have answers. You don't have answers.
You are number 25.
Wow. You admit that you're scared.
No.
You don't want to answer.
No.
Is that what you think?
He says speak.
Let him speak.
Can you imagine what happens in the mosque? They can't even get along here. I mean, argue. Now, what's the question?
Always a cowboy.
My question was,
once a stupid man is always a stupid man. Once the fool is always the fool. Once the buffoon is always the buffoon.
Born of a virgin? Yes or no? Yes. Was Jesus Christ born of a virgin? Yes or no? You said yes. He's afraid to answer. Now,
you are not answering my question.
Be quiet.
Yes. Okay, so I'm
number 25.
I asked you the question first. Did Jesus submit to the will of God?
Jesus
Did
Christ
Jesus submit to the will of God? Yes or no?
Yes.
If he did, then he's a Muslim, because Muslim means one who submits his will to the will of God. Jesus was a Muslim.
Oh, he wasn't, you liar.
Because Muslim means one who submits his will to the will of God. Islam means one who submits to the will of God. Islam means submission to the will of God. Islam means submission to the will of God.
Are you saying something?
You heard it and you don't have the answer.
Do you have something?
You heard it and you don't have the answer.
When did this guy?
All you do is just how to whistle.
Did you just walk up? I didn't even see him. I'm sorry.
Because you're blind.
No, listen.
Because you're blind and deaf. This is what Satan does.
I can't see
Satan made people the blind and
I
deaf.
can't see.
Yes, because you're possessed by Satan. Because you're possessed by Satan and devil. That's why you're not able to see. That's why you're not guided.
Islam just wants to argue.
One quick question, sir. Islam just wants to argue. Islam? He's not Arabic. He's some Samaritan. Okay, you don't even know to speak Arabic. It's a Samaritan.
Do you know Arabic?
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 The word is
do you know Arabic?
Secondly, the word in Jew. Where does that come from? It's not Arabic at all. He's from Ethiopia.
It's proven today that you both don't know anything about your own religion.
Thank you.
All you do is just simply whistle and you just yell. You have no answers. When the true Muslim comes and asks you questions, you become embarrassed and you don't have any answers. Oh, that's what you do.
I like you. I like you.
For your garbage. Do you want guidance? If you want godly guidance, then you answer my question.
Argument.
My question was simple. He wasn't answering.
Jesus Christ.
Are you supporting them? Okay, so if you're a Christian, did Jesus submit to the will of God? Did he? Submission to the will of God is Islam. Submission is the will of God.
You have it one way, so submit just mean same as a Muslim.
Are you a Muslim, sir?
Because this is what Muslim means. Muslim means. Okay, what is the meaning of Muslim? 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 So why are you arguing?
I'm a Christian.
Why are you arguing then? Okay, so it means you don't know me. Why are you talking then? Ask your man to talk to me. Ask your man to talk to me. He is your representative.
You don't know
what it says? It's Miriam and Jesus.
When you guys get the real questions, you become coward and scared. Because you didn't answer. You don't know Arabic. What is the meaning of Muslim? You said, I don't know. What's the point of talking to you?
I don't want to know Arabic. I'm English.
I will get to my point when I want to.